Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Muzammil Hussain, your mathematics teacher, and today we are going to start unit number 1, which is set. At the end of lecture, dear students, if you find any kind of question, you can contact me at mnhussain7890@gmail.com. Exercise 1.1, question number 1. Write the following sets in descriptive form. Dear students, in descriptive form, we describe a set with the help of a statement. The first part of the question is A, E, I, O, U. Dear students, these are the vowels. So its descriptive form will be set A equals to set of vowels. Second part of the question is 3, 6, 9, 12 up to so on. We can see that these are the multiples of 3. So its set descriptive form is set of multiple of 3. Dear students, seventh part of the question is in set builder form, that is x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x less than 3. So its descriptive form will be set of natural numbers less than 3. Remaining part of this question are left for you for practice. Question number 2, write the following sets in tabular form. In tabular form, dear students, we list the elements, separate them with the help of commas and enclosed into curly brackets. The first part of the question is set A equals to letters of the word hockey. So its tabular form will be set A equals to HOCKEY enclosed into a curly brackets. Second part of the question is C equals to numbers less than 18 and divisible by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the numbers which are less